Hello, my name is Lee, and my channel is Lee Work at Home. Today, I have a company. It's called Envision Options, and they are offering several positions as a customer care representative. Envision Option is a part of the Rite Aid Corporation. Rite Aid is one of the nation's largest leading drugstore chains. Envision Options family of companies include Pharmacy Benefit Management, which is PBM, services, mail order and specialty pharmacies, a national Medicare Part D prescription insurance plan, a leading PBM technology platform, and discount prescription savings programs on fertility medications, as well as for underinsured and uninsured patients. Envision Options is looking to hire many representatives for this role. They are hiring in states such as Georgia, Texas, Arizona, Nevada, Kansas, North Carolina, and they're hiring for several positions. So we're going to take one of the states and see what the description is. They should all be the same, but you can always check it out for yourself in case there are some differences depending on the state. Okay, so this is a full-time remote position, and you will work from home. And they would like to know if you have a strong customer service background with a minimum of 2 years experience working in the healthcare industry, then this could be a good role for you. So here is what you will be doing. You will answer and respond to calls and emails. You will resolve pharmacy issues from members, providers, and pharmacies. You will respond to routine inquiries on multiple products. You will research required information using available resources. You will place outgoing phone calls when necessary. You will document all call information and enter data accurately and timely. You will be able to utilize multiple company database programs for assessing member information. Achieve individual performance goals for productivity and quality. You will be able to maintain confidentiality of patient and proprietary information. And this is a 7-week training position. Here is how you will qualify for this job. You must have a high school diploma or GED, experience with PBM or health insurance preferred, customer service or inbound call center experience, proficient in Microsoft Office and industry-related software programs. You need to be an effective verbal and written communication skills, ability to independently identify, research, and resolve issues, an intelligent and articulate individual who can relate to people at all levels of an organization and possess excellent communication skills. You will be able to demonstrate ability to maintain multiple priorities and deadlines. You must be well organized and self-directed individual who is able to work with minimum amount of supervision. You must have the ability to work extended hours, weekends, and holidays when necessary. They prefer a bilingual individuals. English and Spanish must be able to read and write and interpret in both languages. Must have high-speed internet access, not hotspot, and must have a working smartphone for VPN access. And what is in it for you? Well, this is a full-time, permanent, and opportunity for advancement. It's a remote work opportunity. All computer equipment is provided. Paid training for 7 weeks and full-time benefits, paid holidays, plus 401k. And if you need more information on the company, you can click here. It says who we are. So now we will scroll back up to see about the application. So you can either sign in with your LinkedIn profile, or you can apply now. So we're going to hit apply now. And once this loads, so they want you to register. But before you register, you must do their consent policy. So you scroll down to the bottom. After you read it, I would read that information, so you know whether you agree with the consent or do not. So I'm going to click in consent. And once you do that, then you can register with your name, email, and phone number. And then they will give you the next step that you must take. Usually it will be to upload or copy and paste or your resume. And then they will contact you to let you know what next step you must take in the process. So if you think that this is a good fit for you, if you want to investigate this position more, I will leave the link in the comments section for you. And if this is the first time that you're visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notifying bell for upcoming job information and other information that's provided at times. And also, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. And I just want to thank you for listening today, and thank you for visiting my channel. Have a nice day.